Problem 2. Amara owns a rectangular community garden that is 48 meters long and 36 meters wide. She places a fence post at each corner and one every 4 meters. Part A. How many fence posts are there along each side? Part B. How many fence posts does she need in all to enclose the garden? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here's a hint. Long side, 48 meters, has 12 gaps of 4 meters. Short side, 36 meters, has 9 gaps of 4 meters. For the whole loop, don't add the 4 corners twice. A closed loop has exactly as many posts as gaps, no +1. So each long side shows 13 posts and each short side 10. But those corner posts are each shared by 2 sides, so the garden only needs 42 posts in all, not 46.